In this video tutorial, we are going to have a brief discussion on data types, variables and operators of C programming language. Let's get into our first topic. What are data types? Data types are nothing but data storage format which is used by variables to store data. They used to define a variable before using in a program. The size of variables, constants and arrays are determined using data types. Data types in C language are classified as fundamental data types and derived data types. Fundamental data types contain integer, float and characters, whereas derived data types contains arrays, pointers, structures and enumerators. Okay, let's move on to our next topic, integer data types. Integer data types allows to store integers in a variable. Keyword int is used to declare integer data types. They occupy 2 or 4 or 8 bytes in memory. %d is the format specifier for integer data type. They are further classified as integer long or short, integer signed or unsigned. Integers long or short. These variations are provided to give integers a different ranges wherever possible or required. Short integer occupies 2 bytes whereas long integer occupies 4 bytes in memory. Long integers are declared using the keyword long. Here is an example for declaring long integers. Similarly, short integers are declared using keyword short. Short integers vary from -32,768 to +32,767, whereas long integers vary from -2 billion to +2 billion. Integers signed or unsigned. Suppose if you are calculating total number of marks scored by a student, in this case we only need positive values for integers. So in this type of situations we declare the integers as unsigned. By declaring unsigned, the range of integer gets doubled. Unsigned integers can be declared as unsigned int I or unsigned I. Similarly, there also exists a short unsigned int and a long unsigned int. Format specifier for signed integers is %d, whereas for unsigned integers is %u. Character data type. This data type allows us to store characters in variables. Keyword char is used to refer a character data type. Storage size of character data type is 1 byte. Here in the example, character variable ch is initialized to a character a. A signed character has a range from -128 to +127, whereas a unsigned character has a range from 0 to 255. Format specifier of character data type is %c. Floats and doubles. These are used to store decimal values. Float data type occupies 4 bytes in memory and it can be used up to 6 digits in decimal, whereas double occupies 8 bytes in memory and it can be used up to 6 digits in decimal. The range of float data type is -3.4 e to the power 38 to +3.4 e to the power 38, whereas a double ranges from -1.7 e to the power 308 to +1.7 e to the power 308. A double can be declared by writing double keyword followed by a variable name. Let's move on to our next topic, variables. Variable is an entity which varies during program execution. Variable names are the names that are given to locations in memory. Variables can contain integer, real or character constants. A particular type of variable can hold only the same type of constant. Rules for writing variable names. A variable name is a combination of 1 to 31 alphabets, digits or underscores. First character in the variable name must be an alphabet or underscore. No commas or blanks are allowed within a variable name. No special symbol other than an underscore can be used in a variable name. Here are some examples. Our next topic, declaring and initializing variables. Variables must be declared in the C program before using it. Variables can be declared by writing data types first, followed by a variable name. Example, integer a, float rate si and character name. Assigning a value to variable is called variable initialization. Variable initialization can be done by giving a value to variable at declaration. Example, int a is equal to 1 and float rate is equal to 8.5. Let's move on to our next topic, operators in C programming. Symbols that helps us to perform specific mathematical and logical operations are known as operators. These operators, when combined with constants and variables, form an expression. Consider the expression A is equal to B plus C. Here, B and C are operands and plus is an operator. Types of operators. C language offers many types of operators. They are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, conditional or ternary operators, increment or decrement operators, and special operators. Arithmetic operators. These operators are used to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, etc. Relational operators. These operators are used to find relation between two variables, which means comparing of two variables in C program. Thank you for watching the video and log on to skillscroll.com to learn more courses.